Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared two multiple choice questions for you. And the first question is: diagnosis of chromosome aneuploidy of unborn children is normally done by a combination of amniocentesis, cell culture, and you have to choose one of these answers. So what is the amniocentesis? Is just when we take a sample of the fluid that surrounds fetus, and then we do cell culture, and the third procedure would be to do karyotyping. Answer D. Take a look at this picture, and this is a result of the karyotyping. We see all the 23 pairs of the chromosomes. So this is going to be phenotypically female because we see two X chromosomes and none Y chromosomes. And also this is going to be a person with trisomy 21 or with Down syndrome. We see 3 identical chromosomes here instead of 2. The correct way would be to say not identical but homologous. 2 of them came from the one parent and 1 came from the second parent. So this is going to be homologous chromosomes. And second question, which statement about Down syndrome is false? Let's check. Variant A: the frequency increased dramatically in mothers over the age of 40. And this is true statement. I hope that most of you know this fact, and I want to underline in mothers and not in fathers, because if you take 100 cases of the trisomy 21, in about 93 cases it's going to be due to non-disjunctions on the mother side, and only in 5 cases due to non-disjunction on the father side, and about 2% more due to non-disjunction during mitosis. Imagine that this is egg cell and this is spermium. When spermium fertilize egg cell start to divide. And this is process which we call mitosis. And now imagine that during this early stage of zygote development, in one of the cells, due to uneven chromosome separation, in one cell we will find extra chromosome 21, and now on the cell when would divide would make all the cells with one extra X chromosome, and the rest when would divide would have normal set of the chromosomes. So in this case this person would be chromosome 21 would have extra chromosome but would be mosaic. In some tissues he would have normal number of chromosomes, and in some would have extra chromosome 21. Such a person would have Down syndrome, but severity would be less than if we would have a situation when in each cell would be extra chromosome 21. And also it depends on the tissues. If this tissue would give a rise to the brain tissues, then we will have a more severe case, and if this is going to be different tissue, then it's going to be less severe case. Statement B: the cause mostly due to non-disjunction when chromosomes do not separate during the first meiotic division. And this is also true statement, because most of these cases of the trisomy 21 is due to non-disjunction due to meiosis 1, about 86–90%, and about 10% only due to non-disjunction due to meiosis 2. Next statement C: affected individuals have an extra autosome. All these chromosomes, 22 pairs, we call autosomes, and only sex chromosomes, which are X chromosome and Y chromosome, which is missing here, we call sex chromosomes. So this is also true statement. And next interesting statement, maybe not many of you know about this: the long time lag between onset of meiosis in ovarian tissue during fetal development and its completion at ovulation is most likely the reason for increased incidence in older mothers. Translating the statement into the normal human language, the statement states that females produce their gametes only once while they're in the fetus stage, even when they're not born yet. But males, for example, produce their gametes, which is sperm, every day. So that's why female has much higher exceedance of non-disjunction, because when female, for example, 18 years old, her gametes or egg cells are also 18 years old. When female is 40 years old, her gametes are 40 years old. And every time when female ovulate, she lose her gametes. And the number of the egg cells is not going to be restored. But males produce gametes or sperm every day. This also explains why all these non-disjunctions, mostly in 93%, due to non-disjunction in the female gametes and not male gametes. In male gametes, it is only 5% of the cases. So this is also true statement. So now we have to choose answer E. Again, our question was, which statement about Down syndrome is false? None of the statements are false. All statements are true. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.